Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Today we are going to make another clay art. I have many empty color bottles like this. Instead of throwing them away, I thought of making something creative out of it. So let's get started. For this we require empty color bottle, clay, piece of wire and aluminum foil. These two are optional. First I removed labels from the bottle and cleaned it. Now stuff it with aluminum foil. Next cut small pieces of wire. And insert them in the aluminum foil, keeping little part of wire outside. This is to make our base strong. Like this. Next put some clay on aluminum foil. Now we will make petals. For that I will roll the clay. Cut it equally so that every petal will have equal amount of clay. Roll it from one side and press a little. I applied little water at the end so that it should stick properly to the base. Now carefully put it on wire. Like this. I use backside of brush to stick them. Like this make remaining petals and stick. I made small bird like this for putting at the center. Like this our small clay plant is ready. I will keep it overnight for drying. After drying we will paint it. I am painting it with acrylic colors as it gives good smooth finishing. I use pale yellow color and green color. At this point I am bit confused whether it is flower or plant. We will better call it flowering plant. Now we will paint the bottle with grey color. Grey color gives nice classic look to the bottle. This is how it looks. But I am still confused whether to paint the bird with different color or should keep the same. Finally, after tossing the coin 6 times, it showed up, which means yes, you all got it right. I don't know whether such plant exists or not, but we can create anything with our creativity. This can be used as decor or showpiece. What you people think? Have you ever saw such flowering plant? Also, I made one more aloe vera plant. How does it look? Do let me know in the comments. Do smash that like button for the rarest flowering plant. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Be creative and keep creating. And I will see you next time. Peace.